Good morning, students. Up to last class, we have discussed the entire portion of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, mouth, esophagus, then stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Got it? The digestion starts from the mouth cavity, buccal cavity, by the action of the salivary amylase, which is present in the saliva, and there are three pair glands present in our mouth. Second gland is in our stomach, and stomach whole of the stomach having gastric glands. Gastric gland secrete gastric juice, and this gastric juice having an enzyme that is known as pepsin. Pepsin occur in inactive form that is known as pepsinogen. Hydrochloric acid activates this enzyme. Now third gland is the third, fourth and fifth. These three glands pour their secretion, release their secretion into the small intestine. Which are these glands? Liver, pancreas, intestinal glands. Liver is the pinkish gland. It is the largest gland of the body. It is the largest gland of the body. The liver basically having two lobes. बड़े बड़े जो हम लोग कहेंगे पिंड, वैसे there are two lobes present in the liver. Actually, liver secrete the bile juice. Liver secrete bile juice, and this bile juice does not contain any enzyme. No enzyme is there. Then what is the function of liver? Bile. Bile is very important to us because it is responsible for digestion of, it helpful in digestion of fats. It plays very important role in the digestion of fats because it break down large fat molecules into small fat molecules. Large fat molecules into small fat molecules. Droplets. बड़ी बड़ी जो ड्रॉपलेट्स होती हैं, बड़ी बड़ी जो फैट्स मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, उनको स्मॉल ड्रॉपलेट्स में ब्रेक करना. So it break the small droplets. This process, breakdown of large molecule into small ones, is known as emulsification. Emulsification of the fat. Got it? Now after emulsification, there is another gland over here, pancreas. Pancreas is the yellowish gland. It is the second largest gland. Pancreas secrete a number of enzymes, and the secretion of the pancreas known as pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice. This pancreatic juice contains a number of enzymes. For digestion of the fat, it release lipase enzyme. Which one? Lipase. For digestion of the protein, it release trypsin enzyme. Which enzyme? Trypsin. And for digestion of the carbohydrates, amylase enzyme. Amylase for carbohydrates, lipase for fats, trypsin for protein. Ultimately, in this way, the entire digestion takes place over here. All the remain food which left undigested, it broken down, digested by the action of intestinal juice. remain material digested by the intestinal juice. In this way, the digestion completes in our body. Once again, recap the mechanism of digestion. First, salivary gland. Look over here. This is the liver, largest gland. These are the 1 and 2. These are the two lobes of the liver, and this is gallbladder. This one is gallbladder. The function of gallbladder is only storage of bile juice. Which one? Bile juice. It's store only bile juice. Got it? Now, the function of bile juice we have discussed earlier: emulsification of fat. Emulsification of the fats. Got it? Now look, students, we know well saliva and saliva having salivary amylase enzyme, and this salivary amylase enzyme break down starch into sugar. Got it? Now this food come to the stomach, and in this stomach there is an enzyme named which one? Pepsin. And this pepsin enzyme breaks the protein. This enzyme breaks the protein into small particles called it पेप्टॉन्स. ये प्रोटीन का ब्रेकडाउन करेगी, एंड इट ब्रेक डाउन द प्रोटीन इनटू पेप्टॉन्स. विच एंजाइम? एंजाइम नेम्ड पेप्सिन. दिस इज द पेप्सिन एंजाइम. नाउ पेप्सिन ब्रेक डाउन प्रोटीन इनटू पेप्टॉन्स. देयर इज नो amino acids right now. Later on there is. Now food reach from the stomach to small intestine, and in this small intestine there are a number of the enzymes. These enzymes break protein, peptones, whatever it is, and these break down into amino acids. These break down into amino acids. These are the amino acids. In this way, in last, protein break down into amino acids. Enter now amylase enzyme. Amylase enzyme rest of the starch that left undigested by the action of the salivary amylase. The starch broken down into sugars finally. So the starch into glucose, proteins into amino acids. Now by the action of the bile juice, fat break large molecule of the fat broken down into small ones. Now these are the, still there is fat, but these are the small molecules. Now there is an enzyme, and this enzyme named lipase. Lipids are also known as, fats are also known as lipids. Fats are also known as lipids. So fats break down, fats or lipids break down into number 1 fatty acids and glycerol. Fatty acids and fatty acids and glycerol. Fatty acids and glycerol by the action of which enzyme? Lipase. And this lipase comes from the pancreatic juice. Got it? In this way, the entire digestion finish in our body. Protein break down into amino acids, starch and enter carbohydrates break down into sugars, fats, fatty acids and glycerol. Okay.